Hey, my friend, let me check. You have also to check. You go here, and then you go, if you want to join me, you go to social, and then you go to friends. But it's better, you can also do it from clan. But anyway, you're gonna go friends, but friends now are offline. You can click and then you can say join group, see, or invite to the group. You can do it also from clan, and then no, from friends, from friends, or invite to the group. Yeah, you see it here, but all of you are sleeping now. Uh, couldn't sleep, so that's why I'm doing this. The second one, every time when you level up, you have to, let me check. You have to go here, then you go to here, appearance, and this chest here, you have always to check it, and then click open, so you can unlock new stuff. Okay, I got the weapon skin now, but you can get always priced stuff of it. So I will accept that. So I still have one? No, I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. So when you level up, you can always check here every time. Yeah? Okay. And here, let me check something. Parents, they're here. You're gonna go here about your, how you call it, guns. You can change here guns you want. Yeah. Okay. So, and then also, you have to check this one. And like you see, you have to open this stuff, and you can also get stuff from it. I got these two, and this, awesome. And then again, I still have two. So you're gonna unlock new stuff. Last one. It's nice. It's awesome. I mean, this basic stuffs you have to know it, and you also have to level up to change your outfits to the, the to the last level, and that's important so that you can they will not kill you faster. So always check out which one is the best for you. Look like this 82. I put to 113. Yeah, for me it's better. So always take the maximum level. Yeah, I still have one on 34, so I will stay on that. Okay, so let me check this one. Oh no, I'm good with that. And about mine level, you can open your, how you call it? You can open your map, and these blue things here, they're always main missions. This one here, but I finished this one, but these are main missions. Let me check. I hope if we can have one here. This is not my mission. Side mission. But any mission with the blue dots, go to it. Like this one, and then is you have to finish also the theater mission. Like you see, it's a theater missions. It's also my missions, so you have to finish them all. I completed it already. So it's nice to follow the mine missions, and then you can all look these stuffs here. These are good for your map, so you can travel to it every time. So I cannot travel here because I still didn't unlock it. But if I go here and here, You see, I can travel. You see it there. Is fast travel. It's unlocked. Yeah, I will make more videos so that you guys can know how things works in this game, so we can enjoy it together. Awesome. So have fun. See ya.